what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. Hi, how are you? The sun is setting. I'm rushing against time because I'm a dummy and it's already like 5 o'clock, and yeah, we're almost in winter and it's terrifying. But anyways, hi guys, how are you? Welcome. Today we are going to be deconstructing some of my garden. I've had so much going on. It is literally almost November. It's October 28th, and I still haven't pulled anything out of my garden that needs to be pulled out. So today's video, we're going to do like a last harvest type video, see what's in my garden, see what's still growing, see what's dead, pull things out. Well, that might be a separate video, but we're just gonna harvest anything. But before we do that, please make sure you like, subscribe, and let me know what your favorite plant you grew this year, if you did grow anything, in the comments down below. And lastly, you can now join my channel. You can now subscribe and join for additional benefits, and I would love to have you. We have like beautiful garden wallpapers every month. We have gifts. We have exclusive member-only live streams. There's gonna be some really cool stuff that I'm really excited about. Yeah, so please join. If you would like, there's 3 separate tiers. Join my wolf pack, support this channel to help it keep going. But yeah, guys, anyways, it's getting cold out. It's not that cold though, yet. Okay, I'm trying to hold on to my shorts here. I have knitted shorts now. But it is cold. It's definitely almost hitting 0 at nighttime, and things have definitely started. Wow. Things have definitely started to calm down. So we're going to go in the garden and see what we got. And I'm super excited. Let's go. I need shoes. That's all. Hi, welcome. Ah. Also, the new Kada music video came out. And oh my gosh, I did a reaction to it on my gaming channel. I'm going to be blasting it while I'm in the garden, like picking things. So if you guys see me dancing, that's why, because it is a bop and I quite enjoy it. All right, let's go to the garden. So as you guys can see right now, we're in the sunroom. Okay, should be focused. And things are growing in here pretty well. You know, I have some pretty lettuces, some kales. It's doing okay. It's not as crisp as like it normally would be, but like there's some lettuce in here that I'm actually gonna pick really, really soon. Definitely will be like more baby type vibes, but look, these tomatoes are, are actually doing pretty well, which I'm really excited about. But you can tell, you know, they're hurting, you know. But anyways, so when we walk out of the sunroom, ooh, the sun's setting. This is what we see, okay? Leaves everywhere, which I desperately have to clean up. Okay, insane. And this guy needs to come inside ASAP. Okay, I'm gonna do that actually right after this video. This is a calamansi citrus plant. He's really, really awesome, but he needs to come inside because he's also obviously a citrus. I think I'm going to take off as many tomatoes as I can, even though they're not fully ripe yet. I'm going to take these guys off. I'm going to let them ripen up inside just so nothing gets to them, because I did notice that some of them are hurting a little bit more. Yeah, see, this guy's like rotting a little bit. So I'm going to take all the tomatoes off, get those out of the cold, let them ripen up inside. Of course, they're not going to be as like lovely, but it's okay. I'm also going to take down these eggplants. I mean, I think I have 2 that I can salvage. The rest are obviously babies. Don't know if I can cook those. We're gonna take apart the Brussels sprouts as well. I'm gonna use these in sautés and mixes. We didn't get Brussels sprouts this year. They're starting to form, but they're not big enough. So whatever, it's totally fine, because honestly I really like the leaves and I think they're wonderful. So we're gonna take those out. We have to cut more mint, we have to cut more sage, and then over here we have some carrots that I don't think are ready, but you know, all good. We do have some beans, so I'm gonna collect some beans. some arugula, some mustard greens that are flowering. And then over here we have our peppers. So I'm actually going to tear all of these plants out and see what we got. And then I have one more tomato plant that I actually kind of left in back there. So we're also going to deconstruct him and deconstruct all of these peppers. There's still a lot on here. So let's see what we get from our very last haul. These are so spicy, they're amazing. Also, I totally forgot to mention, I've been growing Swiss chard in the front of my house. I don't know why. Why are these guys doing so well? Anyways, I experimented with this bad boy right here, to see if it would grow. And it did really well out here. Lots of sun. So I decided to plant a lot more. So I'm gonna chop these back today. And next year, I really want to use this area more because it's amazing and it actually gets more sun than my garden. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be growing some greens, some colorful things out here because they look nice and like nobody knows, right? Nobody knows they're edibles. All right. There we go, guys. My last haul of most of my veggies. It's getting dark out. I had to switch into sweatpants. My hands are starting to get a little cold. But yeah, check it out. We have some beautiful purple beans, lots of peppers, little sweet peppers. We have these guys, which are like a dragon Thai hot pepper. They're crazy. And then underneath, we have eggplants, and then we have so many chili peppers. Oh my god, but they're like all at the bottom. I also cut down a good chunk of my remaining tomato plants, and let me tell you, I still have tomatoes inside that I haven't eaten from the last time I took down all of those tomatoes, so that's insane. We got lots of lettuce, we got sorrel in here, we have mustard greens, and a lot of arugula, which I'm super excited for, and we also have a lot of Swiss chard. I cut up a lot of the really gigantic pieces, like I cannot even start to like really show you how big these are. And then we also have all of these Brussels sprout heads, which I'm going to use in stir fries, in salads, yeah, in smoothies and that kind of stuff too. What I've also done, so I want to show you guys this. There's so many baby tomatoes on some of the plants that what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put these in water for a few weeks and try to replant them. Tomatoes are really amazing for doing this, and I want to really try to ripen these up more, get these babies producing better. So I'm gonna try to get these in water, get them to start to root, and maybe get one more yield out of these. So we'll see if it works. But I have a whole stack that I'm gonna do tonight, hopefully get them in some water. Yeah. And I still have to take out some more things. I gotta clean up everything, and I'm also going to do a harvest on my herbs because I have so many of those still. This is crazy. I'm definitely gonna do a video on mending my soil, so look out for that soon. But yeah, anyways, that's it for this video. I'm not gonna do that big of an outro because like it's starting to get really cold. My headband's slipping off my head. It's just been a lot. So anyways, have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out. Mwah. Love you. Wait. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.